Good day everyone, my name is Amrudin Saligidan Mika. Our topic is all about the competencies of an arts teacher. So what is arts? So first we define the word art. So art is the conscious creation of a diverse range of human activities and works that use skills and imagination to express ideas, emotions, or beauty. This means is when people purposely make things like paintings, sculptures, music, or stories using their skills and imaginations. They do this to share ideas, feelings, or to show what they think is beautiful. So next is the what is competencies of an art teacher. So an art teacher needs a blend of artistic, technical, pedagogical, and interpersonal competencies. This includes strong artistic skills and knowledge of arts history, creativity, and effective communication with students. An art teacher requires a blend of artistic, technical, pedagogical, and interpersonal skills, including mastery of art, techniques, and materials, knowledge of art history, creativity, and the ability to design engaging lessons, manage classroom, and communicate effectively with students to inspire learning and foster artistic growth. This means that to be a successful art teacher, you need more than just artistic talents. You need a combination of skills. They must also possess a strong organizational and classroom management, like classroom management skills, adapt to students' needs, and commit a continuous professional development. So let's proceed to the artistic technical competencies. So first is the artistic skills. So what is artistic skills? Artistic skills is a functional knowledge of various studio, art techniques, design principles, and materials. So artistic refers the creative abilities to produce original works. For examples, drawing, painting, sculpting, using imagination, and personal style. Functional knowledge of studio techniques means understanding practical methods. For example, oil painting, printmaking, ceramics, and how to apply the effectively. Design principles are the fundamental rules like balance, contrast, and harmony that guide the composition and visual impact. And also the materials involves expertise in choosing and using tools like canvas, clay, digital software appropriate for the medium. So next is the art history and context. Understanding of art history and the ability to connect art with other subjects. Art history and context. This means understanding how artwork reflect the cultural, social, political, and technological conditions of their time. This involves studying art movements, for example, Renaissance, as well as the analyzing art intersects with subjects like history, literature, science, and or philosophy. So next is the technical expertise. So technical expertise is a knowledge of physics, chemistry, and technology behind different art process. So technical expertise in arts means understanding the scientific principles behind art creation. This includes physics, for example, is light refraction in glasswork, structural balance in sculpture, or color theory in creation. So in chemistry subject is, for example, is pigment reactions, paint drying processes, or ceramic glaze composition. And also the technology is a example is using digital tool like 3D modeling software, laser cutting, or machinery printmaking machinery. So the last is the creative creativity, which is the ability to generate new ideas, solve problems, and inspire students' creativity. So creativity in teaching arts means the ability to innovate, adapt, and spark curiosity for educators. This involves generating original ideas. For example, is the designing unique projects like eco art using recycled materials. And problem solving, for example, is like adapting lessons for students with disabilities or limited resources. And inspiring students by encouraging experimentation. Example is blending traditional and digital art. So that would be all. Thank you.